birthday. Your father go to home.
My wish is for TRD to come to Philippines.
Yes.
Do I blow the cake already?
Yeah.
Thank you, ha?
You're beautiful here.
Yes. Wait lang. There's someone who taught me about slicing the cake myself and taking a bite. So I want to do it.
Yan, may fork siguro kailangan.
In this cake, I have to make a wish in my mind.
Okay.
And a good health.
Wish ng taong bayan, Tatay Digong, bring him home!
Wish for Katie.
Yeah, yung 21.
Malaki.
Slice cake.
Can you give the fork?
Yeah.
Magdala sa cake.
Yung cake naming maliit.
Salamat sa inyo, ha?
Salamat sa ma'am.
Thank you for doing this for my daughter.
You're welcome.
Ma'am Katie, yung isa. Yay!
Ay, ito. Salamig yan.
Okay, pause muna yung camera, guys.
Ayun pa, may
Sayang hiwao ng gwapa na now. Ayun na yung naghiwa. Titigan na lang. Hiwao na nako, mga beautiful.
Ito na yan. Nandyan ang personal, oh.
salamat, ha?
Yung isang cake.
Langga is white in your lips.
Mahal ka, kumain pa isa.
So I don't know how to cut cake. So
Sana si Makabayan, Lord, maraming salamat sa mga partner.
Okay lang po yun.
Maraming salamat mga kababayan.
Just blue blue na lang siya ga? Kandul ba?
Hi, thank you, Makabayan.
Okay lang po. You're welcome po, ma'am.
Yay!